Today we're going to bring a wireless motion sensor. If you guys notice, there's two parts to it, and they include the instructions. They include the actual mount for the actual sensor. Now, I do have the sensor on. It does take two AAA batteries in the back, and they're not included. So there's a couple things you should know. You could turn on the sensor here, on and off, and it gives you instruction on the side of it. Light sensor, you could turn it off in case this is morning, day to night mode, that you could turn it off. So if you want it to be, when it turns night, the sensor will automatically push the signal to the actual lights and it'll turn them on. Or if you want the sensor just to anybody walking in the room or by the sign or anything that you have on, either a light, it'll turn on. So this is the actual sensor you have to mount somewhere where people are going to be, where all the traffic's going to be at, right? So let's go ahead and put this on the side. This is the brain operation. So one plugs into the actual system, which is your lights or LED lights, and then the other one, power. All right. So it's gonna intercept the actual power. Now, this is very important on the top. On the actual box, it has a level 1 through 6, and then under mode, it has auto, on, or off, and then timer, which is this is the time, either 15 seconds, 35 seconds, 60 seconds, 180 seconds, and 300 seconds, and then 900 seconds. All right. Now, level light, low or high, and it goes through all through 1 through 6. Right. Now, first of all, it's mode. You have to hold it on, and this is how you turn it on to mode, either auto, on, or off, and then the timer, either 15 seconds all the way to 900 seconds. And then, of course, the level light. All right. Now, this is very important because it is going to indicate, it's going to turn on the little light, tell you where it's at and how to set that up. All right. So very simple. Let's plug it into one of our LED lights. So we have some LED lights here that you want to design maybe a logo or something, and you have a storefront where people are walking by and you don't want to waste too much power. This is a perfect way to have your sign light up when people are walking by. So we're going to demo here. We're going to plug in some LED lights. If you guys can see the LED lights, we're going to plug them in through the power. We're going to intercept its original power, right? Now we're going to actually power it up. So we are going to power it up. If you guys can see, I'm going to power it up. And right now, currently, I don't have anything on, and we're going to turn some lights off here so we can actually see some more. All right, so now we have it powered on, and now we're going to see if we can actually get this thing to actually intercept. And there we go. Any kind of movement, we set it up right now. And in 15 seconds, I'm going to put this down. In 15 seconds, it's going to turn itself off in 15 seconds. And the way it does it dims down slowly. Now, we're going to turn it on, and I'm going to pick up the sensor. You guys can see it. And it's going to see if you guys can see it. 15 seconds. It takes 15 seconds because that's how much I program right now. The sensor turns on. I could do day to night mode. It's very simple. But once you set it up, you could just leave this anywhere of the path, and you could have a logo or maybe advertisement light up. Any kind of system that you want to set up, a DIY configuration, maybe a project that you want to set up. This is a perfect way to do it. It comes with the actual brains, the sensor, and then you provide your own LED lights. So in 15 seconds, I'm going to put this down. It's going to turn off. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.